Alright you guys, I made it into Sam's Club. So right here is $70. It is the copper finish for your hose, the little cute hose pot. And next to me, $59.88. We have the little doggy statue that you can leave by your front door or when you walk in. So depending on where you live, how much is gas where you live, you guys? You know I live in Arizona. And gas here in Sam's Club is how much?
$3.99 or $3.98. Yeah.
$3.98, and everywhere else like Circle K, they're $4.69. But it's so weird how Sam's Club could keep their price down. You know what I mean? A 20 here, a 4-wick scented.
You wait in line, but it's worth it.
These are kind of nice. I like the colors on them. And your cement citronella candle is $24.96. The cement citronella candles, doesn't matter where you get them, here or Home Goods. I love the cement. Also comes in black, which I feel like the black one's gonna be new because I never seen that. A little bit of discount here by Members Mark, and look how they change colors. $19.96 right now. That's $5 off. And $94.97 on the elevated garden bed. $80 for this wagon. I was just talking about somebody to buy this wagon. They also have this in Ross too. Ross I think might be $5 cheaper depending, but here in Sam's Club it is 300 pounds on the weight. Again, this is perfect if you're a musician, because I was talking about that. They're like, oh, I gotta carry my amp, I gotta carry my bass, I gotta carry. I'm like, you know what? Oh, most of them buy the wagon now, but it is $80 and it comes in really handy. $44.98. It kind of looks like the Woozy. Is this like a dupe? Is this like their own Woozy? $44.98. Multi-directional. I mean, doesn't say it like it does. Oh, let's see. 3 control mode, 5 speed, 9 hour. Does it go a whole 360? It might just move back and forth. I don't think so. But it looks like a Woozy, right? And if you're needing a pool cleaner, $499. It is cordless, $60 off, and there is no limit. I don't have a pool. I wish I did. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Looks like a little car. And $20. This is actually not bad. Like if you have a small area, like for your desk, and you know what? It works. Sometimes you don't need the Woozy, but you know, we just like it. $20 here. And $79.98. You guys, we are already reaching the hundreds, and I was looking on my app. It could be wrong though. They were saying like 102 already. I was like, what? We're in March. $59.98. So it's gonna be a really hot one. I mean, I'm used to the heat, but this is gonna be dry, a very dry heat early. $94.98. And for your pool, we have the salt, 40-pound bag. This is $7.48. The cherry flavored bird food is $17.98 now for a 40-pound bag. So it did go down in price. It's $2 off. It was $20. This deal ends on the 14th. And $14.46 on the raid. The bugs are out. Actually, I've been finding a lot of grasshoppers walking when I'm walking, but they're here. And then next to me, the ant bait spray is $14.28. You know what? I'm surprised I didn't have an ant problem last summer. Normally I kind of do, like on the outside. Never really inside, but I haven't seen a good ant hill in a long time. Right here, $6.98. And if you're needing a new grill, this is going to be $200. A 35-inch grill. I like how they have this extended here. You could take this off. I think it folds down actually. You want to know something funny? We just kind of got a new grill because, like, well, our lid broke on our old grill. We had it for years, and we got like the wrong size grill. It was it's like a little tiny midget grill.
Yeah, it's like I call it the Barbie grill because it's like so tiny.
I was like,
But it cooks good.
it cooks good, but it almost looks like a Temu grill. You know, we got it at Walmart online, but you know, Walmart online is third parties. I might have hit the wrong button or something, but I'm like, it's very short. I'm like, whatever, it works. New books here. 1748 on this one. That looks kind of interesting. Oh, they have this in Costco right now. She's like at the front and center. You could definitely find these books in Home Goods, you guys. If you look in their book department, they have tons. Then on top, Sandwich, 1148. Between Sisters, 1148. The Violins Maker's Secret, oh, 1148. That's for Men, 1348. Devotions, 1898. They have the Bible in 52 weeks. Bible study for women. Let's see, that is 1764. They also have the Catholic Bible. I've never seen that here in Sam's Club, so that's very interesting to me. A 40-Year Kiss, 1127, 1248. I did find the Levi high-rise mom short here in Sam's Club. They're $26.98. Again, you could bring them back, you know. Just be careful though when it does say like mom shorts. They're a little longer, but sometimes the very high-waisted is not so flattering. Like, I personally don't like it. The Cadbury 12 count is $11.48. And don't forget, they do have this variety 10 pack right here on the Peeps, which is a $13.76. Oh my gosh, how many licks does it take, Mr. L? 1442. Haven't seen this in quite a while. And if you're looking for a basket builder, they do have one for $11.98. You know what I'm not finding this year yet? I'm surprised it's not here. Normally Sam's Club has the Easter basket and they have eggs. Like, they have the bunny eggs and the dinosaur eggs. I am not seeing any of that, like, pre-made stuff. Okay, I did find the basket. These are $19.98, but these you get like these gummies in here, a little chocolate one and the Kit Kat and the egg. But normally they have like the bunny. There's like different shapes or whatever, like a dinosaur one again, like I said. I don't see that, neither, or the eggs. Huh. And paper towels are $38.38 here. This is Bounty. Okay, wait. Why is there two prices here?
Because this one's 48 and this.
Okay, yeah.
This
12
one,
12 equals 48 on this one. 38.38. And then 12 equals 32. 25 68. The next to me, 20.93. You get 15 rolls, 150 sheet. And by Members Mark. I have never tried Members Mark toilet paper. Is this toilet paper? Yeah. $24.58. You get 45 rolls, 235 sheets per roll. And $26.83. This is toilet paper. 45 rolls, 473 sheets per roll. No idea on like what it feels like. It could be that very thin kind.
Could be sandpaper.
But it's $26.83. So Sam's Club does have the tempura nuggets now. That's a 5-pound box. Breast patties with rib meat. I mean, these could be your due for McDonald's for kids, you know.
They look like them.
$12.86. And then down here is the tenders, $18.98. This did go up in price. I said that before. This is right here. I feel like it's not bad to have to store in the freezer for summertime and like break time. It comes in very handy. So we have the chicken breast tenderloin. I'm not too sure if it's breaded. No, I don't think it is. But I mean, you could bread them if you want. These are $20.86.
I mean, they show a picture of it.
And the boneless chicken bites are $13.98. Real Good is $16.98. So it looks like there's a deal here, right, on the tissue, $27.98. Oh, it's $1.20 off. 36 rolls and 255 sheets per roll. Okay, these do taste like Chick-fil-A. I think $13.47, but I feel like they might be better than Chick-fil-A right now. Because I had Chick-fil-A, I shared like a little meal when we were on the road, and I feel like their nuggets taste really different. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in quite a while, and I know they did say they changed the way their chicken is made. And I could be wrong, but didn't they say they're doing like bioengineered chicken? But yeah, it tasted really different. I didn't care for it, but that's $13.98 here.
Well, they're soft.
And $18.76 we have Mike's Party Pack here. Nobody makes lemonade like Mike. I mean, this is my go-to drink kind of in high school. I wasn't a wine cooler person. I was like, ugh,
I
no.
liked, Bartles and James.
Yeah, you're gross.
Daiquiris, so those are so good.
He liked he likes weenie stuff.
I like food drinks, okay? They're good. I like
Beatbox has something new with Shaq, $11.98. Blueberry lemonade. Really? You get a 4-pack here for $11.98. It looks like the milk maker went down in price, $69.44. $30 off from like $100. You could yeah, make anything. You could probably make your own pesto in here too. Choose your setting, watch it blend. The Ninja Crispy is $1.59 here. I believe Costco was $1.24 if I'm correct. I'm usually good at remembering the next day price, but I think this was on discount in Costco. New animal toys, bunny dog toy. These are $10, $9.98. They kind of feel like a doodle. They have that type of fur. I'm not a fan of that type of fur. I do not know what's wrong with me. It's like I can't touch it. But yes, they have these colors for them, and it has the rope body in the toy, which is good because they do break open. But they have that 10. And over here on the lamb, the alpaca, $14.98. And before I end the video, I'm going to look at some children books. Honey Bunny, You're My Little Blessing. Of course, I think all children are blessing. And this could be an argument because this was an argument at a dinner table, believe it or not. And sometimes you just have to keep your mouth shut. But I did have my kids, you know, in high school. But I'm not going to ever say they're, you know, a mistake. And that was the conversation at the dinner table. These people were saying, I was like, I don't know. I just felt off about it. But yeah, it was really a weird one. But $6.78. I used to read this guy all the time in elementary school. Yeah, this bunny. And there was another book, and I believe they might have been called The Stupid Family. I could be wrong, but they always had like I don't know. I could be wrong on what that book was called. And there was one with a mean teacher. I think her name was Miss Nelson or whatever. Does anybody know that book? Is that the same book? Like she was like mean. I don't know. I'm trying to remember. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I guess Blippi is still around. I think it's somebody new now. Might be somebody new. My first look and listen sound book. Oh, it's the Bible one. Oh, there's Punch. Okay, that's kind of funny. That is $14.88 here. Just happened to click on that monkey one, but I've been watching a lot of the Punch videos, and I don't know. A donkey. Sad. He has a good day, he has a bad day. But I don't know. I mean, I kind of feel like this monkey, was like, you know, raised by the two feeders that come and feed them. And that's why he does cling on to them. He knows. I feel like they could use this punch as a education purpose. You know what I mean? Like, maybe if they could find another monkey for him and put them in their own, like, little habitat in the zoo. And like Coco, like, I don't know, I'm just going off, but he is clearly different. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does help my video reach YouTube audience. They do have the fruity snacks here. They have a butterfly bunny mix. These are $10.78. And on the Welch's, they had the Fusions 2-in-1 Juicy Fun, $13.94. And these are $13.44. Yeah, but they're not sour. I don't think so. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. Please stay safe on the road. Right now, there's a lot of people. It's spring break, so I feel like a lot of the traffic right now is from, you know, college kids coming into town, which is perfectly normal. Oh, I thought that was a new bubble. I was like, oh, new bubbles. No, they're not. All right, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.